Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my AdMax review. Now I am here inside the members area of AdMax, and during this video I am going to give you a full walkthrough of AdMax. I am going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video, that I am giving AdMax for only $1. So in my bonus area I will give your $5 instant and remaining money within 24 hours. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link I will get some commission, and in this case it is $12. Now you also might be thinking that why I am giving my commissions to you. So the reason behind is that I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know this will help you to make money, and you love this, and if you love this you will definitely buy some of its upsells, and I will make money on them. Now let me tell you what is AdMax is all about. So AdMax is a complete training course on paid advertising, and in this you will get all the answers of questions of paid advertising which gurus don't want you to know. It will also give you all the resources which you need to make money through paid advertising. From AdMax, you will learn everything about paid advertising, and you can start to earn from day one. And you can become a super guru of paid advertising. And more details of AdMax I will provide you later in the video. So AdMax is going live on 24th July 9 a.m. EST, which is New York time. So when it goes live you can click any of the button on my bonus page and they will bring you to sales page. Here you can buy it. So pick AdMax before my bonus page expire, which I don't want because I spent a long time to put and find those bonuses together, so you can get out of as possible. All those bonuses are created by myself, my team, and very good affiliate marketers on the internet, and you are not going to be available through anybody link apart from mine. With that, feel free to go and shop around and see what other people are offering in terms of bonuses for AdMax, because I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link, which is down below of this video. So let's talk about my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited, and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So so my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack, and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month, and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes. And the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. Now my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I'm giving your $15 back. So this is the next bonus, that if you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list, that my list have over than 120k subscribers and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people, because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see, there some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money, because with the help of bonuses you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to cost customers and how to boost sales, make huge money and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will access all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is, if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus. If you buy CB traffic app from my link which is down below of this video, you will automatic approval to all of my product of past and future. So next bonus is, so mine is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cash check. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2k CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is six figure influx. This will tell you how to make six figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also a training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them. So for claiming all these bonuses, you need to do, first of all, click on the link which is down below of this video and come on my bonus page, which you may already be on if you come through my email list. Just be aware that this goes live on 24 July 9 a.m. EST. So when it goes live, you can buy it. Now let me tell you how you can access them. So when you buy in your Warrior Plus history, you can see there access your bonus, this blue button. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses if you buy only the front end product, which is only for $12.95. And as you know that I am giving your $12 back with all of my custom bonuses. Now let's see the sales page of AdMax. Now I am on the sales page of AdMax, and as you can see there, for newbie and advanced business marketers alike. So it is for all of you, even if you are a newbie or advanced or intermediate. Revealed the secret to successful paid advertising. The gurus don't want you to know. Don't miss out on this complete paid advertising knowledge base. So with this AdMax, you learn how to advertise, how to know paid advertising and what is all about. And there is a quick video you can see, and it will tell you more about AdMax. So don't get loose in desert of paid advertising. Let us guide you with AdMax. So they will guide everything about paid advertising, and here are some of its key features. You can see there: learn secrets to paid channel pricing models, selecting the right advertising network, the proven step to successful ad campaigns, how to use Google Ads, social media platform advertising, unlock the mastery to the different type of paid ads, learn how to do effective paid advertising, include 4 free video training guides on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube. Work for any business and in any niche, and it also have 30-day money back guarantee, which is a very good, I like the most. You can click this button and buy AdMax with all of my bonuses and my money back guarantee. Now as you can see there, from the desk of Jay Lean, so this is the creator of this product. You can read more about from there, and as you can see, traffic means is everything, and it will tell you how to get traffic with paid advertising. Now this is the sales page, and as you can see there are some income proofs from paid advertising these guys are made. Now here are some data. You can see more than 2 billion, not million, it is billion people use social media every day. And as you can see their downside, with the average person spend 135 minutes per day on social network, so you have chance to reach them. Now you can read more about it. Here's a lot of data you can see in your own time. And as you can see, this is the AdMax and there are some its key features. You can check it out. Now as you can see there, this is the whole sales page, and you can see there you will covering all these platforms on how to run paid ads on them. These are Google ads, LinkedIn ad, Pinterest ad, YouTube ads, Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, Truvi, and many more. So here only you have to only follow these 4 steps. Step 1 is to purchase a copy of AdMax, and step 2 to log in inside the members area. Step 3 to take all the training and build your first ad campaign. Step 4 to make money and repeat it what you learn. Now here's all thing you will get inside the AdMax. So you will get 18 high quality video training session, and these are all its features you can see from there. You will get 13 modules on different type of paid ads, and these are the ads you will learn how to run all of them. You will also get 4 free complete video training products of Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, LinkedIn advertising, YouTube advertising, and many much thing. You will also got support from them, so if you have any issues they will sort it out for you. Now there are some more income proofs as you can see there. Now you can buy this from by clicking this bonus, and these guys are also giving you some of bonus to buy AdMax. So bonus number 1, the traffic handbook, and it is I think a training course or a guide. Now its bonus 2 is profit from PLR, and you can read it out. It's what is this bonus. Bonus number 3 is YouTube ad excellence. Now bonus number 4 is the evergreen system, and last bonus is PLR hackathon workshop. Now these are all the bonuses these guys are giving, and so here is more detail, you can check it out. And as you can see there, now you have two option. You can purchase AdMax and make money, and option 2 is not purchase AdMax and try to your own way to make money and fail and don't make money even more time. Now here are some things you are getting with the AdMax. So you are getting 18 high quality videos, step by step easy to follow tutorials included, 13 modules on different type of paid ads, 4 free complete video training product, 100% proven techniques, full support. You are getting 5 bonuses as I'll tell before, and it also have 30-day money back guarantee, which is very good. So its real value is $3,973, but you are getting it only for $12.95. And as you know that with this I am give you $12 back with all of my bonuses. Now as you can see there, it have 30-day money back guarantee, which is a very good thing. Now this is the whole sales page, you can check it out. And as I'll tell before, this is the creator of this product. Now there are some FAQs. Now let me read it out one by one. Do I need experience to make this work? Absolutely no, you don't need any experience. Are there any hidden fees or monthly fees? So answer is no, it is only for one time pay. What niches does this work in? So it will work in any niche. Is there any money back guarantee? So yes, it have 30-day money back guarantee. Do I need any paid software to make this work? Answer is completely no. How long will this take to set up? Not too long, it will not too long to make this work. Now this is the whole sales page of AdMax, and check it out in your own time because it is very detailed product and I am not going to tell it all about. So this is the whole sales page, and now let me tell you its prices and upsells. So its front end price is only for $12.95, and as you know that I am giving you $12 back with all of my bonuses. So in the front end product of AdMax, you are getting 18 videos of the main training on paid advertising. You are also getting 13 modules which cover different type of advertising out there. You will also get 4 complete training products on paid advertising, and with this you are also getting 5 exclusive bonuses to use and make money from them. Now it's OTO 1, which means upsell 1 is AdMax Elite for $37, and in which you are getting some advanced training on paid advertising like Instagram ads advertising, LinkedIn ad, Facebook ads, Google display ad, YouTube ad, and much more things from it. Now its OTO 2 is done for you campaign for $67, in which you will get done for you everything. You will get done for you bonus page, done for you review videos, and you will also get bonus delivered page, everything you need, and which is only for $67. Now its upsell 3 is reseller rights, which is for $37, and in which you can sell AdMax as your own product and keep 100% commission on the whole sales funnel, and you can make up to 600 and more from it, $600 and more from it. Now option number 4 is one-on-one coaching for $97, in which these guys you give you one-on-one live training or coaching from them and how to make money. Now option number 5 is launch a product with Jay Lee. Jay Lee is the creator of this product, and you can have chance to launch your own product with Jay Lee. It will tell you everything, how to build your sales funnel, how to make product, how to make JV page, and how to sell on Warrior Plus, everything, and it is for $997. So these are the all upsells, and in my opinion you should buy option number 1, which is AdMax Elite for $37. So this is all about, and thank you for watching my AdMax review video, and I'll see you in some of the next video. Take care, bye.